Store Demon WP and Taurus SC in a cool, dry, well-ventilated location away from living spaces and direct sunlight. Demon Wettable Powder and Taurus Suspension Concentrate each require specific handling to preserve potency and safety. Keep products in their original, labeled containers so active ingredient concentrations and instructions remain available, and never transfer them to food or drink containers. Store them below 70 degrees Fahrenheit and away from freezing temperatures to prevent separation or degradation. If temperature control is not possible, an insulated storage box in a shaded area helps. Maintain a separate locked cabinet or high shelf away from children and animals, and avoid storing near pet food, bedding, or household consumables. After each use, reseal caps tightly and wipe any residue from the outside of the bottle to prevent accidental contamination and to make leaks obvious on inspection. Record the date you first open each container and note applications on a calendar so you can follow label reapplication intervals and check typical shelf life before reuse. The three most common mistakes are storing products in unmarked or repurposed containers, which leads to accidental ingestion, so always keep original labels and add a waterproof inventory tag if the label fades. A second frequent issue is placing insecticides near heat sources or in direct sun, which can degrade chemicals and cause pressure buildup, so relocate containers to a shaded, temperature-stable area and move any swollen or warm bottles outdoors to a ventilated space and contact local disposal guidance if compromised. A third problem is failure to check for leaks or expired shelf life before use, which risks ineffective pest control and unintended exposure. So inspect every bottle for cracks, sticky residue, or separation, and perform a small compatibility test with the application equipment on an inconspicuous surface after diluting per label directions. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and gives contractors a place to find work by connecting project seekers with service providers in their area. We also host an active discussion community where users share real-world experience, storage tips, and application techniques for household insecticides.